with kasi yung sincerity niya pagkanta and yung connection niya sa tao habang kumakanta. And sa murang edad, she doesn't have a lot of experience pagdating sa performances. Pero sa tingin ko, with what I heard, kayang-kaya pang i-polish at kayang-kaya pang galingan at kaya-kaya pang ma-recognize. And buti na lang walang umikot na ibang coaches kasi baka maudlot pa. But I'm very happy. I think malayo ang mararating ng aking alaga. So we'll see. We'll see how far she does, how well she does. And